Hey guys, so a lot of you have been asking how to go back to your website using localhost after you've turned off your computer and then you turn it on again and you go back to localhost and the screen shows like this. This site can't be reached, localhost refused to connect, etc. And now there's a very simple way to fix that. You just have to start Moodle again and then wait for it to do its thing. So once Moodle is running, Apache and my SQL are running, just go back and then type localhost again. As you can see, it's right here, so I just have to log in. And then that's it, you just have to log in. So that's it, we are inside and then just the same thing, like courses, team, it's all here. So I hope that helped and thank you for watching.